morning, y'all. Ooh, got the lineup. Nothing like a cold start though. Love this car, man. Let's do a little cold start on the G. I haven't started this thing in a little minute. Need some love. See what's up with the G. Start. Okay. It ain't the Mustang, but it'll do something. Can't forget where you came from. 5-0. G. But y'all came here for the Mustang, so let's hop in it. Donuts over here, look at the floor. Probably some of them are mine, so I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's pretty good right here. A little white backdrop. Here it is, the new whip. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys who are subscribed to the channel are wondering what the hell is going on right now. You're wondering where the VQ is at, the G35, the single exit, shooting flames. We still have it, but this was too good of a deal to pass up on. It's been one of my dream cars, so I had to pull the trigger on it. But yeah, it's a 2015 Mustang GT, premium package. Got the 20-inch rims on it, the leather interior, ceramic coated already, so it's easy as hell to wash. So that's why the paint looks so good right now. Came with a couple modifications. I don't know if you can hear it. Came with a Orla S-Type. It's not the loudest, but you know, sounds pretty good for right now. Added an X-Pipe, still not even that loud, so you can imagine how quiet it is. How quiet it was before I put the X-Pipe on. And yeah, right now the only modification I've actually done to the car is the X-Pipe. You know, wanted to show the new car. Got a lot planned for it. Let me go ahead and pop the hood for y'all. Show y'all that beast living under there. Love that interior. Yeah. Y'all know what that is. 5.0. 5.0. Long time coming. Dream car type shit. I don't mean to curse, but this is how I feel. But yeah. Got a lot planned for this car. Definitely want to make it fast. Don't know if I'm going to go the NA route. But definitely want it to be fast. Because you guys seen the G35, you know, it was really loud, but it was kind of quick. But it still doesn't even touch this. But that's kind of obvious. It's a V8, you know, it's meant for racing, you know. G35, I kind of tried to make it a race car, didn't work out so much. I took that car way too far, so don't sleep on them. But yeah, so this is a 5.0. I do want to boost the car at some point, maybe You guys can give me some recommendations. Kind of thinking twin turbo, maybe from the On3 kit, from On3 Performance, you know, their On3 kit, or maybe, you know, a Paxton. But I don't know, I feel like they tend to have a lot of issues, so I'm not really sure. I do want this car to make 700 at some point, so that's why I'm going for boost. Yeah, this is the new whip for the channel. Plan on getting a cat delete for the car this week, so y'all stay tuned for that. So I want to get it a little bit more rowdy. I'm gonna do some exhaust clips right here if I can for y'all, so y'all can see how it sounds so far. It's not too crazy, but y'all see how my last car sounded. I gotta make this thing a little rowdy, you feel me? And plus the cars I be rolling with, you can't even hear me when I'm in this thing. So I gotta turn up the volume a little bit. But yeah, y'all make sure to go follow the gang. Go follow Miguel 50 on YouTube. He just started his channel. Oh, look at this. Go get y'all stickers. Vice City Whip. So yeah, y'all go ahead. Y'all stay tuned for what we got coming for this car. 700 horsepower. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna show how the car sounds. Y'all let me know what y'all think, you feel me? Y'all think it sounds pretty good? Y'all think I should go a little louder? I think I should go a little louder, you know? A lot of people telling me I should do a cat delete. I don't know if that's a good idea, cause I mean, headers pretty expensive. They're pretty steep. For the cheap ones, it's like 1,200, and I know that stimulus check just dropped, but I ain't trying to spend 1,200 on no exhaust, you feel me? It ain't even gonna make me that fast, so y'all let me know what y'all think. I think I'm gonna do the cat delete for now, you know? After the car is boosted, if I feel like I need the headers to make 700, we'll go ahead and jump on headers. But for now, you know, we just got the, what you call it, cat delete for now. Try to get a little sound out of it. I'm gonna do a little in-cabin pull for y'all so y'all can see how it sounds from inside. It's really refined in here. The G had no refinement at all. That thing was just loud all the time. I love that car, but man, I literally turned that car into a race car. Ooh, I know y'all hear that. Sound good. Yeah, I think the car sounds real good right now, but we gotta turn it up. We still gotta turn it up. I think it still got a lot more in it. I want this shit right. Ooh, got a Camaro over there. Can't look at him, man. He's a little too fast for me right now. So we ain't even gonna entertain that. Yeah, y'all peep the dash. Yeah. Oh, he ain't having it. Let me relax before we get in some trouble. Whew. Yeah, y'all gotta be careful when y'all doing these pulls. You never know who around. Let me go ahead and go the long way. You know what y'all think? Y'all liking the new car? I feel like this is a good look for the channel. Feel me? It's gonna be fast. It got the look. It's new. And like, honestly, this is the best platform to build on, in my opinion. Besides the Corvette, this is like the best platform to build on for the money, in my opinion. So So yeah, y'all go ahead and y'all show some love. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel if y'all interested in what's coming. You feel me? We got a lot planned for the channel. And yeah, y'all take care.